Hey y'all, welcome back. We're here with another look. So I did color this wig. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like me to recreate this unit. So you already know the routine. If you don't, that means you ain't been watching my videos. So, go backtrack. So, don't mind my girl. She was tired this whole video. She slept through the whole appointment. So if you see her nodding off, mind your business. So y'all know the routine. We cutting out the ear tabs. We're gonna apply the lace glue along the hairline. Then we're gonna let that dry. And you know the method. That's what I need. That's what I need. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to my days like this. I love that you look so much better with me. I'm looking forward to my days like this. Alright, now we're about to get into making our client look completely bald. We're going to use a foundation that's closely to her skin tone. And then we're going to go ahead and try that wig on, apply the same makeup to the lace. And then we're going to get into wearing it. Let me tell y'all, I really loved this color. Like, this was a 1B wig, like completely black. So please appreciate it and get into it. After cleaning her forehead with 91% alcohol, I applied skin protector. And then I think I did like 3 to 4 layers. Make sure it completely dries between each layer. Then we're gonna lay that lace down, melt it down, better with me. I'm looking forward to my days like this. So here I'm just blow drying it all out, and we're about to get into styling. We went for some loose curls. Do y'all see the color? Like, I just can't, like. Alright, now y'all know this is one of my favorite parts, cutting that lace off, and then you'll see me, re-gluing any pieces that didn't catch onto the glue. And then we're going to pull out the baby hairs that we're going to do, and then remelt that lace. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like a styling tutorial, because I know you can't really tell from this angle what I'm really doing, but you kind of get the gist. So just let me know in the comments below. Alright, now we're about to get into the baby hairs. Y'all see the scalp? You know how you go. So we're gonna come out the baby hairs, and then we're gonna cut them, and then we're gonna curl them and get them right. Now I'm just doing the finishing touches. I'm defining her part more, and then I'm going to just touch her up, and we're getting ready for pictures. Make sure y'all don't forget to subscribe, okay? Don't forget to subscribe, because I be dropping videos every week. Okay, y'all, and that's how you slay. Okay, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.